Hey girl, hey, have you ever felt like it was time for something new? Like you just need a new start? Well, we're going to start here because today we are talking about reinvention. So I am among my friends to be the queen of reinvention. In some seasons, it's giving very much city girl, and other seasons, it has given like holistic hottie. And this season, it's giving, I want to say very cutesy, very demure, but in this season, it's giving get ready get ready for my 30s because I am 29. So that's what my season is giving. So today we are going to talk about how to reinvent ourselves and how to make sure our seasons are getting where we need them to. One of our reinvention journey is going to be design your future self, design your next level self. Visualize her. What does she look like? How does she carry herself? What does she prioritize? What type of men does she like? What type of places does she go? What hobbies? So definitely, if you don't use Pinterest, Pinterest is going to be your best friend for this. I have a Pinterest board about my love life. I have a Pinterest board about my higher self. So definitely create those Pinterest boards, but think about who you want to be. And I love homework. I love activities. Shout out to all the education majors and child and adolescent studies majors because I love a good homework assignment. So for homework, you are going to write a letter to your future self describing your new era. So it's giving, dear Chynna, I woke up this morning and I am laying next to the love of my life while I'm getting ready to get up and make some tea because I don't drink coffee to get ready to start my day of owning a multimedia company and private therapy practice, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, and Z. So make sure when you do this letter, you're going deep into it. And a little hack for your letter is if you know your dreams and goals and things like that, put it into ChatGPT and have ChatGPT or write your future self letter because ain't nothing wrong with using a little bit of AI. And so then, still in step one, we're going to release the old version of us. We are going to identify those limiting beliefs and self sabotaging practices that are holding us back from getting to that next level. Because, like me, I'm still in this weight loss journey, like I tell y'all about all the time, and I'm holding myself back because I can't stop snacking. So, I need to figure out how to just stop that in its tracks to get to the next level where I see myself. And then also affirmation and start affirming yourself and shifting how you're saying. So replace I'm not good at this with I'm becoming better every day and just talk to yourself nice. And I know that's so hard, trust me, because I be beating myself up in my thoughts, but I want you to do way better than me. So let's make sure we shift our affirmations to I'm not good at this and shifting it to I'm becoming better every day. Step two is to upgrade your mindset and your daily habits. Your mind literally creates your reality. This thing up here controls your life and your future, to be honest. If you can't see yourself doing X, Y, and Z, it's not happening. It's not going to happen. So you have to start just visualizing yourself. So how to switch from I hope this works to I know this is working. And that's something I'm actively working on right now. It's just my faith in God and my faith in myself to be like, you know what? This is going to work. And I'll just let y'all into like just a little intimate thought. Like, so for me, I really want this YouTube channel to grow. I really want it to bless people. And it hasn't been giving what I wanted to give. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to quit. I'm going to show up. I'm going to try my best because I know that it just takes one video to impact thousands or hundreds of women's lives. And you also have to have a growth versus a fixed mindset. So reinvention requires a lot of flexibility. So you may try this particular workout plan and you hate it, and that's okay. But you switch to something that you like. So you just have to keep trying and keep trying. And your daily habits, and we always talk about daily habits. I really want y'all to read Atomic Habits by James Clear. But your daily habits, you need to change them for your reinvention era. You need a morning routine that creates a morning that you love and not just getting up and rolling out the bed, because that's what I've been doing lately. But I've been reprogramming my morning routine to do my devotionals, to read my books and things, just to set the pace of my morning. Because once your morning gets out of control, it's out of control. And then also doing a dopamine detox. So reducing habits that drain your energy. So the endless scrolling, the comparison, the procrastination, those things ain't helping nobody. So you need to detox from that type of dopamine and find natural, healthy dopamine. Taking a walk outside, calling a friend, calling a family member, like definitely tapping into that type of dopamine. And then also try new things, because some small, consistent changes will always bring a brand new life and you won't even realize it. So, step three is my personal favorite, because I feel like with your glow up and with your reinvention journey, physical is one of the easiest to get in order and to fix first. Mine is like, getting your finances together, getting your social life together, getting all those things together. And I did also learn that from my mentor, Jody K. Taylor. She's so awesome. Love you, Jody. So yes, so step three is to elevate your style and your self image. So your appearance reflects the type of energy, the type of way you want people to treat you, and how you want to come off to the world. So you got to make sure that you're dressing for the life that you want, and how your style shifts and changes really reflects in your confidence. Like for me, y'all can't tell, the girl loves red, and when I'm wearing red, it just makes me feel bold. It makes me feel confident, and I just like, you can't tell me that I'm not that girl right now with my red lip and my cardigan. And then also, a lot of times with your style, you start to have signatures. So I think maybe under a little bit undergrad and a little bit past undergrad, I was known for always wearing a red lip, because I mean that's what I'm gonna give. So definitely having those little signature things makes life 10 times better. So yes, dressing for the life that you want is small but powerful changes. So a signature scent, an intentional wardrobe, and better posture. Posture is so important when you're walking throughout life, whether to work, whether with your friends. Just hold your head up high and have your back straight. And then a signature scent. One thing about Chynna Johnson is she is a gourmand girl through and through. I love anything vanilla scented. So just figuring out and playing around. Again, reinvention is all about being flexible. So play around, have some fun, girl. But definitely try some gourmands, because I love smelling edible, and you may like the same smells. And then also with this elevating your style and your self-image, you're gonna have to do a social upgrade, in the sense of like, if you want to elevate your life, elevate your social circle, you need to surround yourself with people who match your next level. Like, are these people going where I want to go? Are these people already where I want to go? And definitely making sure that you're hanging out with people who are aligned with your values, your vision for your life, and you have things in common. And then also, you're going to set boundaries with old habits, environments, and relationships that keep you stuck. You have to tell that friend, listen, I don't want to turn up every day. I want to go do Pilates. I want to try new restaurants. I don't want to get drunk every day. And you're going to have to lay that law down. Okay. So, yes, lay it down. And tip number 4 is take bold and aligned action. Go for it. Step out on faith. If you've been thinking about something for a long time, make the post, baby. Make the post, make the website. Everything's already in order. Make the content. Do what you need to do. Confidence comes from action, not just a mindset. So, me and you could sit here for hours upon hours and talk about confidence. But until you make a move and until you shift that mindset, it means nothing. So stop waiting until you feel ready and start now, even if it's messy, even if it's all over the place. Just start, because you can do it. One more time, you can do it. Challenge yourself. So I have one challenge for y'all, 2 homework assignments. You're writing the dear future self letter, and you're gonna make one bold move this week, whether that's applying for your dream job, posting that piece of content, or attending a networking event. You better do it. I'll know if you don't. And then track your transformation. Journal your progress. Take pictures and create a new era playlist, mood board, and accountability. Bring your friends into it. Watch this video together. Jot down some notes and just figure out how you all can go to your next level. So you're going to step into this new era, this new reinvention journey. Becoming a new version of you is all about your mindset, your habits, and your aligned actions. You don't need permission to evolve. You just need to step into your new era today. Make sure you all comment below what your new era looks like and what actions you're taking to step into it. And also, I have a newsletter that I would love for you to head to the description box and go ahead and drop your email so we can talk throughout the week and not just, like once a week. We can talk throughout the week. I'm going to be sending so many amazing confidence tips, creating lives we love, mood boards, all the things. So definitely go ahead and hop into the description box and put your email, and I will see you all next week.